respected dignitaries, honorable judges, and everyone present here. Myself, Mahadev Singh from St. Mary's Convent School in Zali. And today I am here to present before you an interesting topic of this era, the quantum age. Let me begin with a small journey through time. Thousands of years ago, humans survived by using stone and fire. That was described as a stone age. Then people invented machines, trains, and factories. That was described as an industrial age. And now we are going to step into another interesting chapter. That is the quantum age. Now, first understand what is quantum. The word sounds mysterious, right? The word quantum defines the study of the very smallest particles of matter that are described as quarks. You can also imagine it like this. In our everyday world, the switch can be the on or off. But in the quantum world, the switch can be both on or off at the same time. And this phenomena is described as a superposition. And now, quantum age describes various new concepts, such as study of tiny particles, second, wave-particle duality, third, quantization of energy or quanta, fourth, uncertainty principle as a bulk principle, fifth, superpositions, qubits, and sixth, that is entanglement, spooky action. Now let's discuss the amazing powers of quantum age. First is super fast computing. Today's super fast computers are like fast bicycles, but quantum computers are like rockets. For example, Google Computer in 2019 solved a problem in 200 seconds, which would take a normal fast computer 10,000 years. Now you can imagine how fast the quantum computers can be. Second is revolution in medicines. We all know the scientists have not yet discovered the medicine of various harmful diseases such as cancer or AIDS. So with the help of quantum-based technologies, you can easily test the millions of molecules at the same time. And third is hack-proof security. It can help the government to protect their national secrets by keeping the system hack-proof. And the fourth is new material discovery. Our universe is vast, and still there are many things which are not discovered. So with the help of quantum-based technologies, we can enhance the power and discover many things around us. The next is smarter AI and machine learning. By using the quantum-based technologies, we can enhance the power and accuracy of artificial intelligence and can help the machines work accurately. Now the next is future climate forecast. In 2025, the northern part of India suffered from various natural disasters, such as floods. But by using the concept of quantum-based technologies, the governments can prepare for disaster. Now next is money smarts. It can detect suspicious transactions and make our money safer. It can help the investors to take better financial decisions. As every coin has two sides, head and tail. Similarly, the quantum age has both potentials and challenges. Now let's talk about the challenges of quantum age. Now the first was the skilled workforce gap. In every world, the quantum age is very complex, and still there are very few scientists who are well trained in quantum age. Second is high cost, as it is not like laptops. It is a very giant machine, and it requires huge investment in billions, so it cannot be affordable by a common man. Next is inequality between countries. As I have already discussed, that it requires a huge investment in millions. So it can only be affordable by rich countries like USA and China. So it creates a quantum divide among the countries. The next is security risk. As I have already said, it is very high potentials, and it is having a high potential, so it can easily break the code we use today. So it can easily reveal the secrets of governments as well as the personal information of human beings. Next is energy and cooling needs. The quantum computers consume huge amount of energy, and it requires a cooling systems, and it is not eco-friendly yet. Scientists are searching for